Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Omar Abu Sibah. I'm studying computer system engineering, and today's video is about the homework that Dr. Labna assigned us for. And as you see, this is a simple message from me, who is Omar Abu Sibah. I kind of the description for me. So I'm not gonna go over the code. If you take a look at the right, it's big code to explain. Even if I wanna just explain a little bit about it's gonna be infinity of explanation here. So let's see our test. The program that I've built so far, I can just click it like this and run from here. Start debugging, and this matrix solver inverse tool by engineer Omar Sabah. Okay, so this is a placeholder. It's just a message, oh, not a message, to show the user how to implement what should he implement within this text box. So this is a minor example how to implement the Gaussian, to have a Gaussian solver, and how to implement that in a matrix, a square matrix, because to have an inverse matrix you should enter or insert a square matrix, otherwise it will throw an error. So let's test. If I click Gaussian elimination, we will have error here and some kind of message. Okay, so this is an error whenever happens. So we have a homework here to apply this on the my program that I developed so far. So this is a matrix A, and I write it down here just to save time. Get back to my program and paste it right here. And this bottom Gauss-Jordan inverse to calculate the inverse. And as we know, we have the algorithm. I use this algorithm here to, whenever we have this matrix A will be like this. This matrix A, which is the width of it 3 multiplied by T, which is 3 columns and 3 rows. And here we will have identity matrix, which like this. And total, sorry, and again, sorry. And we will have some row operations here until this identity matrix become in this, and the A matrix become in this. It's not like that, but our priority to let this identity matrix to be here. This is false, by the way. So that is a simple explanation to how this algorithm works. If I click the Gaussian-Jordan inverse button, it will have the inverse matrix, which is, this is the inverse matrix, and we can just solve it by hand, but it's gonna take times. Okay, what if this is for A, and let's test out B, which is this B. It's gonna not throw an error, by the way. B Gaussian-Jordan, it will just match it singular. It has no inverse because a row of zeros was encountered, which is we faced a row of zeros. So in this case, in which when we have rows of zeros, we cannot have this matrix P will be uninversible. And that's it. I think this is a simple video to explain and to solve these two questions on my program. Thank you for listening, guys. Thank you for listening. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.